I welcome everyone to this historic event. I bring to you greetings and loyalty of our great party men and women of Adamawa State. To the formal declaration of His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, GCOIF. This declaration today has put to rest the speculation as to whether he will run or not in 2023. Today, we are all witnesses to this testament, which is undoubtedly the first of its kind in our great party as we march to the 2023 decision hour of Nigeria. Now that Atiku has declared, I want to equally declare that we are 100% behind him. Our support for him to lead Nigeria, broken no fraction. We have long passed that point where we shall be asked to support our own. We are at the point where we are calling on our friends across the country to support this longest aspiration for a greater Nigeria. For us in Adamawa State, as always, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar represents Adamawa's special treasure to Nigeria. His commitment to the unity, growth and development of Nigeria is not in doubt. The patriotic aspiration to serve a country that admittedly gave him everything has not only been consistent but unwavering. It is not for nothing that he is probably the most experienced person in the race at the moment. Not only in our party, the PDP, but in the country. Perhaps God has kept this aspiration burning and delaying the victory for a special purpose at a time. A moment like the 2023, when Nigerians will need a person with his capacity, acumen and pedigree to survey the country after a colossal damage meted on by the fallen APC-led government. His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, GCOI, is well prepared to lead Nigeria at its most demanding moment. Atiku Abubakar represents octopus cloud in thriving businesses around the world. He has sold water at the bank of both rivers, Dongola and Benue, and built a world-class university in the heart of the most educationally disadvantaged region in Nigeria. He has created wealth and provided jobs. As a politician, his democratic credentials know bounds. He was a vice president of Nigeria and probably the most visible ever. As a man of culture, he is the Wazir in Adamawa, the second-ranking position in the hierarchy of the Adamawa Emirate. As a family man, he is a loving husband, a father, and a grandfather. Distinguished Nigerians, party men and women, I call on you to support Alhaji Atiku Abubakar for president. Not only because he is from Adamawa State, but because he is the right man for the task ahead. He is a good mentor and a leader that can position our great party for a history generational succession. He is the best candidate that can defeat the APC and win the election for our great party, the PDP. He is the best president our dear country badly needs at the moment. He is the president that can unite and secure the country, salvage the economy, and create jobs for our citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, let's go for Atiku. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we please give... When I say Atiku, you say rescue Nigeria. Atiku! 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 The chairman of this very historic occasion, ladies and gentlemen, if you speak the truth, you will die. If you lie, you will die. I, Dino, I have chosen to speak the truth and die. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is in perilous times. We are in times of vicissitude and vacillation. We are in times of opprobrium and obloquy. We are not only sick as a nation, but we equally suffer from a dreadful congenital abnormality. And the only doctor that can treat our ailments is Atiku Abubakar. To show that Nigeria is with Atiku, if you are from the northwest here, only northwest, if you love Atiku, clap your hands. Now, North Central, only North Central. If you love Atiku, clap your hands. Northeast, if you love Atiku, clap your hands. South, if you love Atiku, clap your hands. Southwest, if you love Atiku, clap your hands. Southeast, if you love Atiku, clap your hands. Atiku Abubakar, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 2003 to 2007, by the grace of God. Today, we should ask ourselves, we have two options in 2023. Either we zone or we win. Out of zoning and out of winning, please choose one. Please choose one. We are in a very precarious situation in this country. Yes, say the truth, Dino. Since I grew up in this country, I have never purchased diesel at 250 naira per liter. Today, we are buying diesel at 800 per liter. Kerosene is 650 per liter. I will say kerosene is for the masses. The middle class has been completely eroded. Today, if you give carpentry job to a tailor, he will not perform. Nigeria, we are in a critical situation. Abnormal situation demand abnormal instruments. We are in abnormal times. And we should remember that America was also in an abnormal time when Trump brought America from class A to class C. But when America sat down, the Democrats sat down, what can we do to rescue America from Trump America? They decided to go for a 78-year-old man in the name of Biden. And they went round, and that man became the president of America, and today is restoring the dignity and reputation of America. Atiku is our own Biden. We need experience. It will be myopic. It will be porous. It will be parochial. It will be intellectually stagnant. It will be idiotic. It will be stupid for you to share power when you have no power. You can only share power when you have power. You need to acquire power first before you start sharing it. So we want to install Atiku to correct all the wrongs of the past. Then we can now start either rotation or zoning. Today, those of us who are lovers of football, can Man U be playing a football match and they are on 0-0? 0-0 means a time of war. And the coach will now substitute Ronaldo. Is it possible? Atiku is the Ronaldo of PDP. Is it possible for PSG to be playing football and they are playing 0-0 and for the coach to withdraw Messi and say they want to substitute him and the score is 0-0? Is it possible? Today, Atiku is the mercy of the political firmament called Nigeria. So I am calling on us. There is no time for tribalism, ethnicism. The problem of this country is that we want to unify Nigeria. And the only man that the Igbos will be comfortable with, Yorubas will be comfortable with, the Ijaws will be comfortable with, Tiv people will be comfortable with, Oku people will be comfortable with, is only Atiku Abubakar. So I want to call on us that Nigeria, we must forget about zoning or rotation and then let's first fix this country. So I advise that the NGO called APC should begin to put the luggage and all the materials of President Muhammadu Buhari together, including those in the boys' quarters, because Atiku is coming. Atiku is coming. I don't want us to be afraid. There are people who say they are ganging up. Atiku is used to defeating people. It is not new. The God that did it in Port Harcourt, and the Holy Book says, the same God yesterday, today, and forevermore. By the grace of God, this is not a campaign ground, but Atiku, you have already given a gap. Jama'a, assalamu alaikum. Mun tabbatar da cewa Atiku Abubakar ba sa'ar su bane, na gaba yayi gaba, na baya.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.